Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the polyhalogen compounds. It's a small topic presenting haloalkanes and haloarenes. After this topic, we will discuss about the alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Polyhalogen compounds. Here we have some important polyhalogen compounds. Those are first one dichloromethane. The formula of dichloromethane is CH2Cl2. It's commonly we called as a DCM, dichloromethane. Second one, chloroform. Okay, the formula of chloroform is CHCl3. The third one is carbon tetrachloride. The formula of carbon tetrachloride is Cl4. And here one more, freons. Freons, these are also one of the important polyhalogen compounds. And fifth one is the well-known insecticide, DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Okay, these are the important polyhalogen compounds. Okay, we will discuss about these important polyhalogen compounds. First one, DCM, dichloromethane. DCM is the good solvent. It is used for the preparation of these so many organic compounds and pharmaceutical compounds. It is used for the preparation of these so many organic compounds and pharmaceutical compounds. Okay, here it is a good solvent. If we inhale this compound more and more, okay, we will get the different diseases like nausea and headache and vomitings like that. Okay, this is one of the simple compound. And the second compound is chloroform. Okay, chloroform is good anesthetic agent. Olden days, chloroform is used as a anesthetic agent during the surgeries, like a pregnancy surgeries and different normal accidental surgeries. Okay, chloroform directly attacks. Okay, chloroform directly attacks with the liver. Okay, attacks with the liver. That's why nowadays we can't use the chloroform as a anesthetic agent. Okay, chloroform is used as a different. Okay, it is used for the preparation of the different freons, chlorofluorocarbons. Freons are chlorofluorocarbons. And chloroform is a good anesthetic agent. If it is exposed into atmospheric condition, atmospheric oxygen, it forms the poisonous gas like that carbonyl chloride, COCl2. When chloroform exposed into atmospheric oxygen forms COCl2 along with the hydrochloric acid, water like that. Along with the hydrochloric acid and water like that. COCl2. This COCl2 is the poisonous gas. COCl2 we called as a carbonyl chloride. This is also called as phosgene. This is also called as phosgene. Okay, carbonyl chloride or COCl2 we called as phosgene. This is the importance of the chloroform. And third one, carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride also used as good solvent. It is also used for the preparation of these so many organic compounds and so many pharmaceutical compounds. It is also used for the preparation of these so many organic compounds and so many pharmaceutical compounds. It is also used as a solvent. Sometimes it is also used in explosives. Carbon tetrachloride also used in explosives. This is about the carbon tetrachloride. Next we will see the freons. Okay, freons. Freon means chlorofluorocarbons are called chlorofluorocarbons. Commonly called CFC, chlorofluorocarbon or CFC we called as freons. Okay, these are the poisonous things and poisonous material, and these are used as a coolant in refrigerator and AC. When we use the refrigerator and AC, freons, chlorofluorocarbons release and directly attack into the ozone layer and it decreases the density of ozone. These chlorofluorocarbons are prepared from the carbon tetrachloride by using a Schwarz reaction. These chlorofluorocarbons are prepared from the carbon tetrachloride by using a Schwarz reaction. This is about the one simple information about the freons. Finally DDT. DDT means dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, we called as a DDT. This DDT was discovered at the time of Second World War 1948 by the Muller. For this discovery of DDT, Muller get the Nobel Prize in 1948. DDT means dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Diphenyl DT trichloroethane, DDT. It is a good insecticide. It kills the insects. And here the structure of DDT is important one. Structure of DDT. Here first write the ethane means 2 carbon atoms. Write here 2 carbon atom. Dichloro diphenyl trichloro. Trichloro means here I am writing Cl. And diphenyl. Here I am writing 1 phenyl. This is the 1 phenyl. This is the another phenyl. Here at para position we have chlorine. Here at para position we have chlorine. And here hydrogen. Dichloro diphenyl trichloro, 2 carbon atoms, ethane. The UPSC name of this molecule is para-chloro. That means this phenyl, at this phenyl chlorine attached to para position, so write para. At this phenyl chlorine attached to para position, we try para-chloro, or this may be written like this: para, para dichloro. And diphenyl trichloroethane. This is the structure of DDT. This is the one important one. Structure is 1 mark question or 2 marks question. What is the use of DDT, or what is the full form of DDT and structure of DDT. This is about the simple discussion of the polyhalogen compounds. In this chapter, haloalkanes and haloarenes, we discuss about the different topics: SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction. Differences between SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction. So many Nemer reactions: Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, Franklin reaction, Ullmann reaction. Like that. Preparation of Grignard reagent, nucleophilic substitution reaction on chlorobenzene. Here in different media, in different regions, in different temperatures, we discussed those topics. Preparation of the haloalkanes and haloarenes by using Schwarz reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Hans-Decker reaction, Sandmeyer reaction. Those are the important reactions. Classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes also important. This is the one important topic. This is the first chapter, which is present in part 2, organic chemistry. Thank you.